Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to hum easily. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So I'm going to be showing you how to make a humming sound if you want to hum to a song or to a melody or anything like that. Now I'm going to do my best to keep in the proper lighting, because if I go over here, it's all off, so I'm going to try and stay right here. So just bear with me. The first thing that you want to do is say hello. So literally say hello, okay? I'm sure you know how to say the word hello, so you just have to say hello, okay? So say it, hello, okay? Now I want you to remove the part of LO from the word hello. So instead of saying hello, now I want you to just say huh, okay? Huh. Now you'll notice what's happening when you say huh is you're making the H sound, huh, okay? Very, very simple. So basically you're saying huh. Now what you want to do is basically take your tongue and touch it to the roof of your mouth. Huh. Huh, huh, okay? And then close your mouth as well. So, huh, 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 okay? Now you just want to continue that huh sound. Now when you say huh, okay, you're actually closing your throat at the end. Remove that part of the process where you're closing your throat. You want to close your mouth, touch your tongue to the roof of your mouth, but don't close your throat. Okay, so try and say huh without closing your throat at the end of the sound. And it's going to go like this. Hmm. Okay, and I'm closing my mouth and I'm touching my tongue to the roof of my mouth. You can do it without touching the tongue to the roof of your mouth by going, huh, but it sounds a bit weird, right? Huh. So by touching your tongue to the roof of your mouth and closing your mouth, you get a sound, which is basically the humming sound that you're looking for. And then you can change the pitch, so you can make it higher or lower. You can go, just like that. That is how to hum and make a humming sound. It's pretty easy to do, but yeah, it's not something that is necessarily just natural. Some people just have a hard time doing it. So I figured that I'd make this tutorial video to show you and tell you how to make that sound that you're trying to accomplish. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.